What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. And today I have a new app to showcase to everybody, and this app is called Cash Karma. So let's jump into it. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new Hi, Gavin. Cash Karma is an app where you can play games for PlayTime rewards, or you can take surveys, or they even have these things called scratch cards. Now, they're really similar to like real life scratch cards. So they have a bonus at the top that you can scratch off, and then they have the play part where you have to match so many, I think it's like golden dogs or something, and you have to match those, and you can win all the way up to 500 points per scratch card if you're lucky. Now, these apps that I showcase on my channel will not replace your regular job. So with that being said, don't think that these apps are gonna make you super rich or anything like that, but they do, however, put extra money into your pocket whenever you may need it. So say you need gas in your car, but you just paid all your bills and you have no money. What do? You can play some of these apps, earn a little bit of money, and then you can get $20 and put $20 in your gas tank. So these apps are beneficial in certain ways. That being said, I'm just gonna keep this video short. That way I can just show you the full app video that I recorded. Full app video just basically tells about the whole app, and all of you can see the app before you download it, and I show you a way to get 300 free karma points when you first sign up. So I show tips and tricks for cash karma and a way to get 300 free cash karma points. So let's jump into it and let's look at the app. What is up, everybody? We are on Cash Karma, and I'm just going to show you around the app today. So at the top of the home page, you see Playtime rewards. You earn more and more rewards as you advance further into the game. There's tons and tons of games to choose from. Playtime rewards is kind of like all the other apps that we've reviewed on the channel before. Below the Playtime rewards, we got daily rewards. Basically, it's a daily reward. You collect it once a day, and it gives you some points. And below that, you have location rewards. Basically, you earn rewards when you're near a participating retailer. So it kind of just has you turn your location on for this app, which I did not do. It's optional. It's not a thing that you really have to do, but you can do it if you want. So now you guys can see the surveys on the screen. Of course, the top one has 2 times multiplier, which means you earn 2 times more. And mine will look a lot different from everybody else's because you have to take a little short survey before you can do all the other surveys. And when you do that, each one of these will give you 100 to 150 points each. So if you do that, it's easy points. And I didn't do the AdSend media because it's only 75 points, and it makes you do a whole lot for that one. And down here we can see all the other offers that they do offer, like sign up with valid information and credit card for ABC Mouse and you get 588 points. open Scrambly and play to at least 1,000 coins, you get 3,000 points. So there is lots of ways to earn with Cash Karma. So if we go on to the next tab, this is the bonus tab. And basically here, you can complete surveys to earn karma points plus scratch cards. And scratch cards will give you more points, all the way up to like 500 points you can earn on a scratch card. Precision sample complete surveys to earn karma points and scratch cards. It's another way to get scratch cards. And video rewards. Basically, you just earn rewards watching videos. And I can tell you right now, it only gives you 1 coin. It only gives you 1 coin or 1 point per video, and it's like 30 seconds long. It's not worth it. So now we're on the rewards page, and as you can see, they have PayPal, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, Play Store, PlayStation, Play Store, Starbucks, Target, Walmart, Xbox Live, Albertsons, AMC, Banana Republic, Best Buy, Burger King, Chipotle, Coffee Bean, Container Store, CPK, Domino's, DoorDash, Dunkin' Donuts, Dick's Sporting Goods, eBay, Fanatics, GameStop, Gap, Groupon, Grubhub, Home Depot, Hulu, IMVU, which is a game, Lowe's, Macy's, Nike, Nintendo, Nordstrom Rack, Old Navy, Panera Bread, Pop John's, Petco, Regional Entertainment, REI, Roblox, Sephora, Steam, USD, TJ Maxx, Uber Eats, Wayfair, Whole Foods, and Zappos. So they do have a lot of rewards that you can get. And here, right here, you can see which rewards are available in your country. So they have all of these countries. Choose one that best suits you. You go to your wallet, it shows you how much you've cashed out. I haven't cashed out any yet. The next tab is your profile. It shows you how many points you have. It shows your reward level, your email, verified. And so on this page, basically you can collect badges, and the badges will give you points. So for this one, if you invite one person, you get 100 points and you get the badge. So like this one, earn your first gift card, you get 300 points. So you get points for spending points, and you get points for earning points. And so right here they have earning badges. So when you earn your first 5,000 lifetime points, you're automatically going to get a 5% boost. So every time you earn, it's going to be boosted 5% more. And so on and so forth. And it also gives you points for those. So there's playtime reward badges. There's screen out badges. Screen outs is when you have been screened out of a survey, like it wasn't you weren't qualified to do the survey, basically. Check-in badges, basically if you check in every day and collect your scratch card, that's what that is. Offer badges for the offer page, video badges for the video page. I've watched 3 videos and they only give you 3 pennies, 3 points. And the last very page is the invite page. You can invite your friends or family members, earn 500 points plus 30% rewards. So you earn 500 points when your referral earns a reward plus 30% of everything they earn. And when that person signs up, they will also get 300 karma points to start out. So if any of you want to sign up and get your 300 free karma points, click the link in the description of this video. Download the app. You're going to get your 300 first free karma points. If you do everything that I said within this video, you should have enough to cash out for your first time. Now that we got to see the whole entire app, would you guys actually use Cash Karma? So when I seen it, I seen an ad for it and I thought it was pretty good, so I clicked it and I downloaded it. But according to this video, would you download Cash Karma and try it out? Well, if you are one of those people that say yes, you can go down in the description of my video today, click the link, and you get 300 free Cash Karma points. And yeah, I thank everybody for tuning in today to this video, and I will see everybody in the next new earning video. Peace.